Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another tutorial of Ukitech. Today we will learn about auto layout in iOS development, and it is iOS development day 5. So before starting our tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, kindly subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page, which is Ukitech's tutorial. So let's head over to the tutorial that we have created. We have to download that project that is available here, and then we have to get the clone of this project, right? After this, what clone existing project, paste the URL over here and clone, and now you have to store this project over where you have to. For me, I am storing it. Create a new folder which is iOS dev challenge and create, and now clone. So in previous tutorial what we have done is just created launcher screen and didn't create any main screen or else. So today we will create on main storyboard. What is main storyboard? It's the first screen that will display after the launch screen, and it is the main screen of our application for now, right? And the first item is view controller, and then we have a view inside the view controller, and then the safe area. What is safe area we have defined earlier, and today we will learn about the stack views and how to create an auto layout in iOS application, right? So first of all, what we will do is click over here and just change the icon. If we don't have that icon, let me just get it from the asset folder. Show in the folder, it's over here. Let me just copy this one icon from this to this and rename it from here app icon. And now in the main launcher screen I will just change the image from Ukitections to the app icon, like this, right? So after doing this, now head again. After this, let's just head over to main activity, and now we have to add some views in this view, main view, right? Over here we have to just click over library, and you can say type over here label, right? The first item is usually the label, so drag it a little bit and change the text over here, ticket number, right? Increase the size from here also, so we are using the size of 25, and let's suppose that it should be in the middle. Now changing the color over here from here to this one, and you can change the color as well, whatever you like. For me, if I want custom color, then I will go with that orange one, and then just close it. If you have to align it in the center, then you can go with this. Our text is completed, and I will go with this text. And now the next one is our image. Let's go with the image and assign it in the middle over here, and then the button. So let's just So let me just change the button text from here, and the button text is next number, and you can say it's system, and the size will be of 20. Done. And if we want to change the background of this color, for now it's nothing, but let's just do it like this, and the text color will change this. From foreground color we have changed the color as well, and we can also give it a bold style, and now that's it. Okay, and now another thing we have to do is assign an image. So the number is 1, so I'm just giving it that number, and I have to enlarge the image to this direction, yeah, but in the center, right? So after creating this, now what we have to do is embed a view in these 3 items, right? So let's just do that and add a view. You can add the view with this button over here. It's an assistant embed view embedded in an item, from where you can embed a view or a stack view, anything. And for now I'm giving this view as this, right? And here is the view. Inside this view we have a text or the label, right? And for this I need to change the name of this view. Why? Because if I change the embed the view in this and in this number direction and in this image direction also, then this will show you that it's another view and show you like this view, right? For me, I would prefer to change the name of this view. So from here in the UI assistance we can change the label, and the label should be anything you can do to recall what you have renamed over here. So for me it's text view, and for this view, if let me just bind it again with the view, and then I will change the name of this view as image view, and the last one right here, add another view that will also button view, right? Now I have 3 views over here, and each view contain a label, an image, and a button, right? But what if I just switch it with the direction over here in the horizontal? What it will show, and images looking not on the screen, and the buttons also not over here. So what we have to do, to run it again, it shows an ugly UI. After this, what we have to do is we will just create over here another view which is inside this view, and that will be an stack view. What is a stack views? You know that we are adding something inside our box, and you can say I have an empty lunch box, and I am placing the sandwich inside that lunch box, a juice, a chocolate, or a chips, or a cake. So I'm adding that lunch box with multiple items. In that empty stack I am inserting the some item, right? So there are 2 type of stacks, the horizontal stacks or on the vertical stack, right? So inside that stack, what we have to do is we have to arrange multiple items. We can place it in vertically or in horizontally, and for now we have to place the items in vertical, this stack over here, like this. I hope you will like this tutorial. Share it with your friends. Do subscribe this channel if you're not a subscriber. We will be back with another amazing tutorial, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.